Here are some more questions where we are simplifying algebraic expressions. So in other words, we look for our like terms and for our BEDMAS. In this first question, it's just 3 terms being added, so you can identify your like terms. Do you notice here this one has 1y and this one has 1y? This middle term has 2y, so they're not like terms. So only the -2 minus 5y can be simplified by adding them together, and the other one you will just rewrite. -2 minus 5 is going to be negative, and 2 plus 5 is 7, so it's negative 7y plus 4y squared. Then in our second question, we are multiplying. So we know when we multiply our numbers together, and our variables, we see if we can simplify those. So for our numbers, we have -2, we have 4, and we have -5. Remember, it's still times. You can't change it into a product. This was one term. Everything is being times. For our y's, we have y times y squared times another y. So our final answer will be there's a minus, a plus, and a minus. So 2 minuses, when you multiply, gives you a plus. You don't have to write it though. We have 2 times 4 times 5. So we know 4 times 5 is 20, times 2 would be 40. And then we can go add our 1's there. And we know when we are multiplying same basis, we add the exponents. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 1. So our final answer will be 40y to the power 4. And then when we divide the same types of things together. So -15 we divide by 5. We deal with our a's by saying 8 minus 2, and our b's by saying 3 minus 1. So a negative divided by positive is negative. 5 goes into 15 3 times, and we have a to the power 8 minus 2 is 6, and b to the power 2. In question 5.1.4, here we see we currently have 2 terms. We have the 7p and we have the minus 2p times of a bracket. So this whole minus 2p needs to be multiplied with each term inside the bracket. So first term will stay unchanged, 7p. Okay, I'm going to add a plus there and add a plus there because this was a 1 term being times of 2 term. So we have 2 terms as an answer. So minus 2p has to be times with 3p, and minus 2p needs to be times with minus 4. So our answer in the next step will be 7p plus a minus times a positive is actually a minus. So we're not going to write plus, we're going to write minus 2 times 3 is 6, and then p times p is p squared, because remember we add our variables together. Then plus minus times a minus is a plus. Okay, so that's fine. 2 times 4 is 8, and it's a p. And we have our like terms that we can add together. So our final answer will be 7p plus 8p. They will be p's, but 7 plus 8 is 15. So it's 15p minus 6p squared. And then here in our final question, we have a binomial being divided by a mononomial. So we'll see in our binomial on top in our numerator, there's nothing you can do. They can't be added together because they're not like terms. So we're going to split again. We split in each one of our fractions. We go put whatever's in the middle there in the middle. 3c over negative 3c. Each term we put over whatever the denominator was. And then we go divide. So 18 divided by negative 3 will be negative 6. The c's, we will say 6 minus 1, top minus bottom exponent, minus 3 divided by negative 3 is going to be negative 1, and c divided by c is also 1. So our final answer is negative 6, c to the power 5, minus 1 is a plus 1.